Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to New Jersey and the 2020 Toyota Supra. We are here in Jersey and we are driving it back to the state of Utah via Louisville, Kentucky. Why that is, next video, more to come on that. I just realized by the time I get to Utah, this should be, almost without a doubt, the highest mileage Supra in the world, which means it's also probably gonna be the least valuable. Anyway. We're here in New Jersey and we are headed to Louisville, 776 miles away, 11 and a half hours. It's gonna be a long day. We're headed to Louisville, but first we're headed to Top Gear Imports, which is like that way, that way, that way, that way, back that way, and then there. This car can rip. We're gonna get pulled over. OG subscribers might remember we came to Top Gear Imports here about a year ago, but it was in a warehouse like 5 minutes that way. This is their new location. It is so sick. So Sean is gonna be here in about 5 minutes. Guys, go follow him on Instagram, Top Gear Imports. It is like excessively humid here in New Jersey. God bless Utah and the lack of humidity. Also, God bless BMW air conditioning. Yeah, I said that. Yeah. It's a Toyota. A true baller driving the G Cabriolet. Are you kidding me? That is sick. I have been to some cool places in my life, but I don't know if there's any place quite as cool as Top Gear Imports. I'm currently in the works of building my dream garage barn. This is what I need someday. Am I right? This is goals. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, we got views on views. We got the Viper Green Porsche 918 Spider. We got the Riviera Blue 918. We got the Golf Blue Carrera GT, the Senna, the SV, the 959, another CGT, a Golf Livery 959. Whoa, this place is wicked. Welcome here to Top Gear Imports. So this is kind of like the car collection. So Sean owns all these cars, and then he has a dealership that's like 5 minutes that way. We're gonna go check that out. That's all those cars are for sale and whatnot. Whoa, I need a warehouse like this. Everybody needs a warehouse like this. Sean, the owner of Top Gear Imports, we're gonna meet him soon. He drives all of these cars. However, this 918 Spider has 9 miles. 9 miles. He's done 30,000 miles combined in his Carrera GTs. One there, and there's actually a white one back there. He's driven this exclusive edition 911 in 9 different countries over the course of the past 40 days. So he actually took delivery of it in Stuttgart, drove it all around Europe, and then of course he's driven it here in the US and Canada. This color looks so sick. We got a casual Testarossa, the white CGT, and we have a bunch of G500 cabriolets. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a Lamborghini Miura. Just look at how small this car is next to that G500 cabriolet. This car actually has a transversely mounted V12. In a lot of ways, this is the original supercar. I'm in the process of building my dream house right now. If you didn't see the vlog 2 videos ago, go check it out. This is exactly what I want. I love the lighting in this place. Like, it just projects the car so nicely. We have a 1956 Porsche 550 Spider right there. It's got like the glass encasing. Like, the office I want to have in my barn is going to be just like this, and it looks out over the entire collection. We are hopping in the Carrera GT. We got Sean here from Top Gear.
Welcome, James.
Thank you so much. Like, this was last minute. I texted you at like, what, 11 o'clock last night?
Nighttime. Woke me up. Everybody's wondering who's calling me.
True MVP. So we are gonna take the CGT for a short little spin. So Sean has the white one, he's got the gray one, the Golf Blue one. You've probably done what, how many miles in CGTs?
About 30,000 miles.
Just casual. Because yeah, 30,000 casual in a Carrera GT in New York City. I'd like to apologize to the Lexus LFA owners watching today's video. I'd like to apologize to also the First-Gen Gallardo owners, because the V10 on a Carrera GT, I think I just got a heart attack, but I'm gonna be okay, like, I'm fine. Lamborghini Miura. It's a good day here in Jersey. We are dumping the Supra in exchange for a Carrera GT. This is so sick. Just casually daily driving your CGT. Just another day, right?
Just put it in automatic.
Easy peasy.
You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, exactly.
I got the adaptive cruise control right here. You don't have to put your hands.
Nice. We got heated seats. We got air conditioned seats. We got a backup camera. Everything you could want, possibly, right?
It's not even the traction control in this thing.
It's like the most raw supercar of the 2000s.
Really is.
CGT. All right, just like Sean said, I gotta get one of these somehow, right?
Gotta put you in one of these, James.
These cars are only climbing in value, like one of the best investment grade cars in the world, CGT, right?
It is. Best car ever made, period.
Sean and I are going back and forth. He just offered to let me drive, and I gotta admit, I'm kind of sort of scared, okay? It's $1 million supercar, and Sean's like, I have to drive.
We could be role reversal. I could be you.
Okay, so you're gonna vlog.
I'm gonna be vlogging, and you could be like me driving.
Yeah, so when he says I'll be like him driving, we'll be doing like a sub 55, most likely.
Not gonna happen.
Never doubt full send. Never doubt full send. Yeah, I mean, and when I say full send, I mean like a tenth of a tenth of a tenth of a send. Yeah. Yeah, this is the coolest view in the entire world. One of my favorite things about the CGT is the shift knob, how it's high up here on like this center console piece. 8,000 RPM red line. Are you sure?
I'm positive. Seat belt up, baby. Let's go.
Yeah. Seatbelt. Definitely need the seatbelt.
We're with James here. We got views on views.
Okay, this is the greatest day of my entire life. Whew. I am sort of excessively sweating right now, Sean. Just, yeah, we'll probably
Well, try not to sweat on these nice.
Yeah, I know. These are like custom Honda seats.
I gotta be crazy, let this guy drive.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what you were thinking. Never doubt full send.
Look at the smile on your face, James.
This is the greatest thing ever. All right, so I gotta sell the Aventador, the Gallardo, the Gladiator, the Supra, the Focus RS, and then I need to finance the CGT through the roof.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We can breathe a sigh of relief. We are back and the car is in one piece. We're good, right? Full inspection, nothing happened.
Nope.
We're all good. Wow, what an experience. We are headed to the other Top Gear Imports showroom. We have not one, but two Mark IV Supras. So cool, because you can totally see the evolution. You know, Toyota, when they redesigned the Supra, a lot of the elements, especially with these front headlight clusters, is so comparable to the Mark IV Supra. However, this has a wing and mine doesn't. Modification number one, almost guaranteed, is gonna be a fat wing for my Supra. Also, I love how the text, Toyota kept it from the Mark IV Supra to the Mark V Supra. So yeah, this is the second showroom here at Top Gear Imports. We got all sorts of Porsches over there. We got an old school Lotus right here. Look at the color on this 911. This spec is unbelievable. That is so clean. So yeah, we got all sorts of Porsches right there, more over here, and we have two GT2 RSs. These are the 997s. So like the 991 GT2 RS that's out modern day is like, it's rare, but these 997s, I wanna say there's fewer than 300 in the entire world, and we got two that are like exact the same spec right here. This is sick. All sorts of Porsches, more Porsches. Unfortunately, we have to leave, guys, because I have to drive 11 hours to Kentucky in the Supra. So it's 3:48 p.m. and it is 11 hours and 52 minutes to Kentucky. 3:40 a.m. arrival, so we're not gonna make it to Louisville tonight, but yeah, we gotta hustle. Oh, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way! That Honda, no, oh no! That Honda Civic had a bumper pulley. Sorry, carry on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to the beautiful state of Pennsylvania. We have like 750 miles to Kentucky, but I have a trick up my sleeve. Go, 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 go! This car is so quick. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Obviously, I would only go 55 miles per hour ever. I mean, it can do 60, but I just realized, did you guys see the heads-up display? Maybe, hopefully not. Anyways, yeah, we gotta roll. The Supra is getting so much attention. People are freaking out left and right. I think for most people, it's the first time they've ever seen one. The problem is that I live in a bit of a fishbowl right now. No window tint, so when the new Taylor Swift song comes on and I start singing, it can get a little bit uncomfortable for for everybody. Obviously, I would never do that on the channel because I don't want you guys to unsubscribe. I have no idea where we are, but there's a Chipotle right there. So today's food vlog has arrived somewhere in southeastern Pennsylvania. I've been reading a lot of your questions both on Instagram and YouTube. Everybody wants me to 2JZ swap the Supra, and yes, I agree. 2 turbos is supremely exponentially, well, not exponentially, it's twice as better as 1 turbo. I don't know, should I 2JZ swap the Supra? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, we're gonna go get Chipotle, and then we're gonna talk about how much I paid for the Supra, because I did not pay MSRP. I paid 10,000 over. I was gonna snake you guys, but yes, I paid 10,000 over MSRP for the Supra, so I paid $67,000 for this car. Did I make the wrong decision? Some people will say yes, some people will say no. At the end of the day, this is not a 2020 BMW Z4. It's a Toyota Supra, guys. So yeah, I'm hungry. We'll be back. Whoa, look at that sunset though, sick. I feel good. The power to weight ratio on the Supra, yeah, it's no more. A lot of people have sent me messages telling me it'd be a huge mistake to mod this car because it's a launch edition and someday it's gonna go up in value, and I disagree, because the Supra is gonna be a mass-produced vehicle and there's nothing actually special about the launch edition other than the fact it's a numbered car. So I think it's fine to cut the fenders. I think it's fine to swap the motor, because 20 years from now, I don't think this car is gonna be anything special. I say that, and the Mark IV manual Supras are worth a fortune, so maybe I'm wrong. And 400 miles, 500 miles, 600 miles. Welcome to Charleston, West Virginia. We made it. Well, kids, it is 1:57 a.m. and we've arrived here to Charleston, West Virginia. 2 things. A friend of mine just sent me a photo of a Toyota Supra in Utah. So we're not gonna have the first one there, and we're not gonna have the first one on the West Coast. And then secondly, yes, I paid $10,000 over MSRP. I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna think I'm a complete clown. There are Supras though that are selling for upwards of $20,000 over MSRP, and then there's one in Florida that's asking $198,000. Obviously that's a gimmick to get exposure, of which, well, they're successful because we're talking about it. I think Supra values, I think they're gonna drop pretty quick. I give it maybe 4 to 8 weeks. I think they'll be selling for MSRP. Obviously, there's a bunch of hype. Everybody wants one early, just like I do. The car is an absolute blast. Was it worth the 10,000? I'm a YouTuber. Like, you guys support me. You've supported me so much. Getting some of the first content in the world of the Supra is gonna help me, and I think I can justify the 10,000. So yeah, there you have it. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.